Slip is just a thin solution of clay that's applied to the outside of a pot. So for example, it's mixed up very thin like this. It's not thick like the clay you would use to form a pot with. It's usually painted right onto the outside of a pot. This pot, for example, has two colors of slip. It has a yellow slip on the bottom half, which fires to a red color. It has a white slip around the rim. Both of these are applied while it's still leather hard and then polished. This pot, on the other hand, is not slipped. This orangey color is the color of the base clay, the clay that I formed the pot out of. But here on the face, I did apply a small area of white slip to add that color. When you're finding your own clay in nature, the clay with the best working qualities is not always the clay with the best colors. And the clay with the best colors usually doesn't have the best working properties. So most often, the clay that's good for building pots out of is gray or brown or some other boring color. Whereas we tend to want our pots to be painted in a bright or beautiful color such as red or white. And those clays rarely have the working qualities required to coil a pot out of. And so you can have the best of both worlds. Build your pot out of the brown clay and then slip it with red or white or whatever color slip you want. The other thing slip allows you to do is, because it's not tempered, it's very fine quality clay, it can be polished to a nice shine. So the other reason for slip is so that you can give it a nice polish before it's done. And that involves a process called burnishing, which is a subject for another video. If you have a question you'd like me to address in another Q&A video, leave that in the comments down below. I'm always open to new ideas for Q&A videos. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.